Welcome to Ural of New England. My name is Dimitri, and I'm so excited to share with you information about this awesome motorcycle. 2020 Ural Gear Up in olive gloss. This is a custom bike, and I was actually involved in setting it up for the original owner. He did not get to ride it very much due to specific family situation. So we have the bike back. It is available for sale now, and it comes at amazing savings, and it comes with stunning and amazing options. I very rarely use a cheat sheet for accessories for custom Urals. I will have to do it on this bike because there are so many options, and I encourage you and invite you to visit our website, AlphaCars.com, and check out the listing for this motorcycle. It will have all specific details about the options. With this video, we'll try to cover it all, but if I forget one or two, I am sure they're listed on the website. So let's start from some of the electrical stuff, how we set up this bike. It has a hazard warning flasher system. You can see it's right here. And as you can see, all the lights flash. Well, while we're at it, it's got the touring windshield that you can adjust. We will mention an LED lights throughout the motorcycle. Of course, heated grips right there. The control switch is right there. We also have an H4 light with, it's a halo lens with an H4 LED bulb. Very, very powerful, excellent source of light. It has very cool brake lights. I won't be able to turn them on and be here with the camera, but I'll point out this light. You can see it is situated on top of the tail light assembly, and it's a powder-coated machined aluminum housing with LED strip, and it comes on when you step on the brakes. It also has another feature which allows you to turn on the flasher for the headlamp and for the brake lights with the different flashing characteristics. And while we're on the electrical and safety, we do have an air horn on this bike. Check this out. It's actually situated right here. You can see it right there. It's a compact air horn compressor direct shaft driven system, and it makes a good sound. Let's hear it. Wow, impressive. And we have plenty of other cool features. As you get on the bike, you will notice this left extended food box. As you can see, there's plenty of room for your foot, and it makes it very easy to get on the bike, get off the bike for any type of riding, especially off-road. And then once we're on the bike, we now see the dual hand shifter system. This is for forward and reverse gears. This is to downshift, and this is to upshift. And when you do that, as you can see, you also have your foot shifter just as well. And when you move your hand shifter, you can see the foot shifter pedal moves, and vice versa. When you use your foot shifter, your hand shifter moves. There is also a shifter lever to put the bike in and out of reverse. You can see how that moves right there. Pretty cool. A few more controls on the steering bar. These are our LED lights. And by the way, I'll turn all the lights on so you can see how it looks. Sidecar lights. It also has a fender light for the sidecar right here. We're gonna aim it a little lower. Perfect. So this is almost as much of a light that we offer on a Ural. Plenty of light. You should be all set. And as we make our way around the motorcycle, you can see the Enduro style seat, which is pretty cool, comfortable. I like it. It's firm, but it is very, very comfortable. Shin guards. Storm hand guards are very functional, and in conjunction with windshield and shin guards, they offer awesome protection for the rider. Let's check out the sidecar. We have the nose rack. We have the sidecar fender rack. We have the sidecar windshield, and this one has a clear aviation grade plexi with the mount for the cup holder or any other accessories. It's right here. Have nice armrests. The sidecar is very, very comfortable. If you've never been in the sidecar and the first time you get in, you'll be very impressed. As we make our way around the sidecar, you see the famous shovel, standard equipment for the Ural. We have the medical box in the back. It actually is a solid construction. And this particular one, the previous owner set it up with a specific kit of first aid kit that fits nicely and has a maximum amount of not accessories, but tools and medication for it. It's waterproof. Let's pull it out. And you can check it out. Of course, you're not going to buy or not buy the motorcycle because of the medical kit, but it comes with a bike. It's included. It was selected by the previous owner, and it's got a lot of helpful stuff that hopefully we never need. And as you can see, it fits nicely back into the medical box, which has a waterproof gasket, and it's nice and tight. We do have a fluid canister, which is to be used for gasoline and drinking water. In fact, it says not for gasoline and drinking water. We checked with the manufacturer, and the idea is that it is for gasoline or drinking water, one or the other. You should not, and you cannot be mixing the two. Most people know that, but for some, manufacturer figured they should have this fancy sticker. We're at the rear of the motorcycle, and we're looking at the famous two-wheel drive system. This is how it looks. Let's check the rest of it. Here's the drive shaft that leads to the transmission. All mechanical, 4 gears forward, 1 reverse. Second generation fuel injection system. Horizontally opposed dual 2-cylinder 750cc engine. Let's hear this engine. Let's get the bike started. We do want to make sure we are in neutral. Yeah, we are now officially in neutral. Good time to start the bike. And that was a cold start. I have my hand on the exhaust. It's actually getting warmer quickly. The bike sounds awesome. Excellent throttle response. We're in the building, so I shut off the bike. As we walk around the motorcycle, we're going to open the cargo area and check out a few goodies there. Here is the cup holder. Here's the controller for the winch. Yes, this bike has a winch. We're going to check that out. A tonneau cover. A famous toolkit. This bike also comes with a tire pressure monitoring system that is already installed. Touch-up kit. A spout for the fuel canister to make it easy to put gas. Yes, here's the cup holder. You can adjust it, and it can be used by the passenger in the sidecar, and as a rider, you can also scoop it up once in a while, and of course, not when you are in motion, not when you are riding a motorcycle. We set up every Ural motorcycle with the charging port. For the trickle charger, it can also be used for an electrical accessories like heated clothing. And don't forget, the Ural comes with a massive 50 amp alternator that delivers quite impressive power. For example, most Japanese cars, they have about the same amperage. Most police, Harley-Davidson, with all the accessories that they run, they have about 30, 35 amp alternators. So Ural comes with the 50 amp alternator. That's a lot of electrical power for one motorcycle. And here's the best part. This motorcycle, as we're taking this video, is available. And watch this. You have to see it to believe it. It has about 100 miles. Let's just make sure. I need my two hands to flip through the readings. 152 miles to be exact. It is practically a brand new motorcycle that is still available, and we're offering massive savings. Just check out alphacars.com for the very specific listing, and you'll be amazed. As I said, it's a brand new motorcycle that was set up and sold by Ural of New England. Thank you very much for viewing this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let us know if you liked the video. Mark it as liked. That gives us an idea what kind of videos you like, and we will be thrilled to do more videos that you like. So thanks again, and you can also reach us simply by giving us a call at 978-263-9000. Thank you.